Hi, you guys. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the February 2021 Lush Kitchen subscription box. And this is the Valentine's subscription box. And so here is the box. And there is the spoilers card on top, which says, put the lime in the coconut. And that's what it has on the other side. So we've got 5 products. This one was voted on, this one was voted on, and this one was voted on. And these two, this and this one, were not voted on. These are exclusives that Lush put in this box like they do every month. And so now let me show you what's in the box. So first of all, there is the Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair shower gel. And this was made in the cocktail scent. Lush used to have a sister company boutique called Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful in the early to mid 2000s in London. And they sold 15 different perfumes there. And each perfume had its own line of bath and body products in the same scent. So cocktail was one of them. There are a lot of products that Lush has made also in the cocktail scent, and here's a picture of some of those that I took. Lush introduced this shower gel, Wash That Man Right Out of My Hair, when they opened up their first superstore at Oxford Street in England in 2014. So this shower gel, along with 2 others that were also Be Never scents, were introduced at that time, and then they discontinued this and the other 2 just a couple of years ago. This is made with bergamot and jasmine and lavender and rose and sandalwood and ylang-ylang and fig juice and guava juice. So it's fruity and floral. It's got a lot of different flowers, 3 or 4 different kinds of flowers in it, as I just mentioned, and 2 different fruits. So this is a very popular scent. It just smells fruity and a little bit floral. It's really nice. It's a nice medium thick consistency and a gorgeous red color. So that's the Wash That Man Right Out of Your Hair. I would rate this a 4 out of 5 rating. The next item is called Frog Prince, and it's a bath bomb, and this smells heavenly to me. They made this for Valentine's Day one year in the late 2000s, and it was just a limited edition Valentine's product. It was never in the regular item. So I definitely voted for this because it's cute and because the scent drives me wild. I have a perfume, a very exclusive perfume that was made for Lush UK forum members only in the early 2000s, or mid 2000s rather, and it's called Leapfrog, and it's made in the same scent as Frog Prince. Frog Prince was also called Leapfrog at one time, and the scent is made with jasmine and rose and ylang-ylang, so it's very floral. There's no other product aside from the perfume and this bath bomb, that smells like this scent. To me, this smells sort of like Chanel No. 5 perfume. I love it. I could smell like this all day, every day. And it's a bath bomb, but it also has a cocoa butter bath melt set of lips there. So I can't wait to demo this in the tub for you. I do have a tub demo video of frog prints already on my YouTube channel and on my blog, but I will make a new one for you. I would rate the frog prints a 5 out of 5 rating because it's cute and because I absolutely adore the scent. Frog prints. The next item is a bubble bar, and this is called Mumkin in Love, or Kisskin. It's kind of got two names, Kisskin or Mumkin in Love. Now, Lush has made two other bubble bars that are different, that look just like this, but they're different colors. One of them is orange and a darker orange, and they used to make that for Halloween, and it's called Pumpkin. And the other one is a dark cherry red pink color, and it's called Mumkin. And this one is a pastel blue and pink color, and it's called Kisskin. And this at one time was only available at Lush Japan, and for about a decade or more you could only get it at Lush Japan, and it was only available for 1 week at Lush Japan. So during the last incarnation of the Lush Kitchen in 2014, 15, 16, 17, they made Kisskin, Mumkin in Love one time. So people just went nuts, as I did too. So I was very happy to see that they included this, and that this won the vote, because I voted for it too. Now the scent of this is the same scent as the dark pink one and the same scent as the orange one. It's made with bergamot, lemon, and violet flower. And Lush has made a soap for Easter years ago called Egg Hunt Soap. And they've also made a round, solid, dark pink glittery bath oil called Razzle Dazzle. And all of these that I mentioned are the same scent. So if you've tried those others, you know what this smells like then. It's fruity, but floral. It's fresh smelling. It's got violet. You can definitely smell the violet as primary, and you can smell a little bit of the lemon oil. So it's a fresh floral. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to use this. I would rate Mumkin or Kisskin a 5 out of 5 rating because it's so cute and it's very rare, and I like the scent all right. So that's Kisskin or Mumkin in Love. I have that already on my blog if you want to read about it. The next item in this box is called Two Hearts Beating as One Solid Perfume. I was very happy to see this as well. Beautiful rose pink color. This is a floral. This is made with jasmine, rose, geranium, and ylang-ylang, 4 different kinds of flowers. This was also a perfume and products at the Lush sister company, Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful, except they never had a solid perfume at that store. They just had the liquid spray perfume. I've got a shower gel of the Two Hearts Beating as One, and I'm going to see how it smells in comparison. It's very floral. It's not very sweet. It's a little sweet, but not very. It just smells like very fresh, clean air, like with flowers. So it's not overly like perfumey or anything like that. It's got a primary note is jasmine. So you have to like jasmine in order to like this. And then geranium as well. I would rate this perfume a 4 out of 5 rating. 2 hearts beating as one. Wasn't my favorite scent at Be Never Boutique. The Bee scent and also the Keep It Fluffy scent were my 2 favorite scents at the Be Never to Be Beautiful, Be Never Too Busy to Be Beautiful store. Those 2 were my favorite. This one I liked, but it wasn't my favorite. So that's why I would rate this a 4 out of 5 and not a 5 out of 5, but it is beautiful and it smells just like the shower gel. So those of you who have tried the shower gel, you know what this smells like. It smells exactly like it. Here's a picture I've taken of some 2 hearts beating as one products from Be Never. I love solid perfumes though. I'm really happy to get this. And let me wear this on my arm so I can like I say, it's floral, but it smells like a fresh air floral. Last but not least is the Lime Bounty Body Butter. I was giggling like a little girl when I saw this in the box. About a month ago, Mark Constantine, the CEO of Lush UK, was showing us some sneak peeks on his Instagram of a green looking substance, which he said was made of lime and coconut. And this is the product, Lime Bounty. It's got organic virgin olive oil, coconut extract, fair trade shea butter, fair trade cocoa butter, extra virgin coconut oil, muru muru butter, kupuaku butter, Persian lime oil, grapefruit oil, and lemon myrtle oil. So lemon, grapefruit, lime, and coconut. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, and this smells exactly like key lime pie. This smells exactly like key lime pie to me. Oh my God, I just want to eat it. Wow. Now, it says, smooth all over the body, treating low circulation spots like the thighs, hips, and tops of the arms to a generous smattering. Now, this doesn't say to rinse it off. So that tells me that it's not like a Lush body conditioner. Lush makes lots of body conditioners that we all love. And the body conditioners you rub on yourself in the shower and then you rinse it off. It's not like lotion. But this body butter sounds more like lotion to me, like a kind of a lotion. And more importantly, you don't rinse it off because the instructions don't say to rinse it off. So that tells me that it's more like a lotion. Oh God, it feels like silk. There's little chunks of coconut or cocoa butter in there. Oh my gosh. That feels so good. Oh my goodness. This smells like key lime pie. It's got little chunks of looks like cocoa butter because the little chunks melt when they get on the skin with the warmth of your skin. It's not greasy or oily, which I love. You can see it doesn't look greasy or oily. It's just soft and it smells like key lime pie. I'm in love with this. I would rate this a 5 out of 5 rating for sure. Now, those of you who saw my last unboxing of last month's Lush kitchen subscription box know that I was saying that I was disappointed because in that box only, we didn't have any regular sized products. They were all the small size products. And also, there weren't any exclusive products in that box. I found the statement on the site that says that they were going to make exclusive products in each box, and so I was kind of disappointed at last month's box, but they've certainly made up for that because they have not only one but 2 exclusive products in this box. And this is a regular sized medium shower gel, not the small size. So I'm very, very, very pleased. All of these products have to do with Valentine's Day, with the exception of this one and perhaps this one. So those are the products in the February 2021 Lush Kitchen subscription box. And I hope that was informative, and you can look forward to tub demos that I'm going to be uploading of these bath and body products. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next video. Bye-bye.